Why did you hit my bum?
I was calling you.
So? What if you were calling me and I did not answer you? Why would you hit my bum?
I'm sorry. In case of next time, where should I hit?
You touched my hand!
Bolaba.
What is wrong with you?
He said if I want to call you, I should hit your hand.
I said in case of next time!
Okay, I'm sorry.
Little man, what can I do for you?
I want to tell you something. I'm hungry. I need money to buy biscuits.
Usas, good evening, sir. I don't have money for biscuit. You are hungry. You want to eat biscuit. There's akpu inside. There's eba. Those ones are not food anymore because you want to eat biscuit.
Bro, that is what I want to eat now.
Will you get out from here?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Please, can I sit?
Good. Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Bella.
I'm Festus.
Nice meeting you.
Same here.
I'm new in your neighborhood and I'm trying to get acquainted with my neighbors. I was bored at home. I decided to come say hello. Do you mind us being friends?
Yeah, we're friends already.
Is this your house?
Yes, this way I live is my house.
Oh, wow. And are you single and ready to mingle?
I am single. You don't need to ask me that.
That's so beautiful. In that case, we can be friends. I mean, man and woman stuff.
Sir, good evening.
You know that I told you that I was hungry.
And so?
Is he your brother?
Yeah, it's my number.
Oh, amazing. Then sort him out. Let him go get what he wants.
But,
oh, come on.
You think say they wise? Are you mumu man?
is it not granite? 15 naira.
But everything will be enough.
Yeah!
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's
You know what? I was going somewhere, so I better leave.
Yeah!
Can I your number so that some other time?
Oh, no worries. I'll see you some other time. Bye. Little man, why did you do what you did?
My brother is so stingy. His hand is like this, akagun. Anytime he sees woman, he always release money.
So you used me against him.
I'm sorry about that.
Now, in case of next time, do not touch a woman's bum bum. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. You're so smart.
Hello. What?
Bros, you think you are smarter than me? I use car to collect money from you.
Yeah! Yeah!
What's it? Bella.
Oh, please.